Hey guys, this is my 2007 gsxr 600. I just wanted to take a video and show the updates I've done since I've crashed it. I crashed back in August, about 8 months ago, and the bike was pretty much destroyed. It was disgusting. The whole windscreen area is new. My right side view mirror is new. This is new. What else? Let's see. These shorty levers are new, thank goodness, because I wanted shorties a while ago. I have Two Brothers exhaust, and it's very loud, obnoxiously loud almost, but I can't complain because I got it for free. Some things that were done before I crashed, a lot of the stuff I got powder coated. This piece right here, this right here, and some other pieces as well. This is powder coated. I had frame sliders on when I crashed, but I still had to get new side plastics for it. This side's still messed up a little bit. You can see it's a little scratched up. Let's see. What else? My rear cowl was completely scratched up, so I got a new one. This is actually blue, and I had it painted. My tank was all scratched up. The metal was ground down, so I had somebody, I don't know what they did, but they fixed it, and it's painted. This plastic piece was damaged, so this is new. There's still some messed up pieces, like that bolt's still pretty messed up. The brake bleeder is gone, I guess. It's not there anymore. And, let's see. One of these side panels are new. I don't know. They were both destroyed, I guess. And I think that's it. But I have custom pink LEDs for my gauge face. And I guess I'll turn it on so you can hear the exhaust.